Hello friend, this is Hitop forklift. 3 units Hitop forklifts are ready for delivery. CPD 16, CPD 18, CPD 20 with different lifting capacities. All of Hitop electric forklifts come with Toyota seat. Very comfortable and reliable quality. And solid tires. Cast iron counterweight. Very high quality. Every Hitop forklift comes with cast iron counterweight. Our supplier of cast iron also produce cast iron for Dosan, Hyundai. Rubber pad. High quality battery. Side shifter. These 3 electric forklifts all come with side shifter. Side shifter is becoming the most popular choice. Most of customers want side shifter for their forklifts. LED light.